In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero. Whether you're keeping your records accurate or simply ensuring your customers have everything they need, sending a receipt after payment is an important step in your accounting workflow. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the Sales section. This is where you'll find all of your invoices and related sales documents. On the top menu bar, look for the Sales option and click on it. You're now in the right place to move forward. Now, once you're inside the Sales section, it's time to find your invoices. Locate and click on the Invoices option, which will show you a list of all invoices according to their status. Here you can view paid, unpaid, and overdue invoices. Since we're focusing on sending a receipt for a payment that's already been made, we're going to direct our attention to the Paid tab. By clicking Paid, you'll filter down to only those invoices that have received complete payment. Once you're in the Paid section, you need to identify the specific invoice you want to send a receipt for. Feel free to use the search bar to enter relevant details, making it easier to find what you need. When you have your invoice, click to open it. You'll see all the details of what was paid, to whom, and when. At this point, you need to focus on the payment link displayed within the invoice details. It might look something like payment date, or a similar phrase indicating when the payment was made. By clicking on the link, a pop-up window will appear, giving you further options specific to this payment. In this pop-up window, look for the Options button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. You'll select Send Receipt from this list, which will initiate the process of drafting your receipt email. The next screen you see will allow you to confirm or edit the recipient's email address. Make sure everything is correct here so your receipt gets to the right person. Xero usually auto-populates the message field with a standard receipt note. It's a good idea to double-check the message for accuracy, or personalize it if needed to better fit your communication style. Once you're satisfied with the email details, it's time to send off the receipt. You do this by clicking the Send button, and that's it. You've successfully sent a payment receipt using Xero. Taking these moments to send a receipt strengthens your professional relationships and keeps everyone on the same page financially. Always remember to double-check that the correct invoice and email details are selected before sending, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in your accounting processes. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.